welcome to this episode of Being Foodie.
Bombay duck or Bombil is definitely one of the famous fishes of Mumbaikars because its presence is found in and around waters of Mumbai. When shallow fried with coating of semolina and rice flour, it attains crispy exterior and soft buttery interior. I am trying not to drool.
Yes, Bombil fry has a huge fan following all over the world. And the god of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar, also loves Bombil fry. So today, let's make this mouth-watering dish, Bombil fry.
To make Bombil fry, you need 7 to 8 wet Bombils, 7 to 8 cloves of garlic, 3 to 4 pieces of ginger, 7 to 8 black pepper, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, a spoonful of ghati masala, 1 spoon of Shankeshwari chili powder, a spoonful of turmeric, juice of 1 lemon, salt to taste, and oil for frying. First, let us see how to choose Bombil. Second important thing is that the mouth should be red. Bombil with red mouth is fresh. Now let's take a fresh Bombil and chop the head, tail and gills of this Bombil. Then wash the chopped Bombil in water. After that, cut the washed Bombil into half and remove the Bombil spine in this way. De-spinning of the Bombil makes it more crispy, but if you want, you can leave it. Place a flat plate on the washed Bombil and place a stone grinder or heavy weight on the plate. This is old and traditional method of extracting the water from Bombil. Leave the Bombil under the plate for at least 1 hour. After an hour, remove the plate and see how dry the Bombil has become. Now let's prepare it. For this, add ginger garlic, black pepper and cumin seeds and a little water and mix it together. Now add Shankeshwari chili powder for color. Allow the Bombil to soak in this masala for some time. Then mix a spiced Bombil in rice flour. And fry this Bombil in hot oil. It can be roasted in iron pan with little oil. Spicy, tasty and mouth-watering Bombil fries prepared by traditional method, which you also must try and enjoy.
I'm sure you must have loved this traditional toothsome recipe. Do try it at home and enjoy with your friends and family.
If you like our recipes, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon. See you next time with another exquisite recipe. Keep watching Being Foodie.